Let's explore a quick frog pose reset to open the hips and inner thighs. Start on all fours and begin with a gentle rocking back and forth. Now slowly begin to widen the knees, keeping the movement soft and controlled. Continue that slow rocking motion, letting the hips naturally start to open. If it feels comfortable, bring the forearms down and settle into frog pose. Move slowly here, letting the hips glide forward and back. You can also explore small pelvic tilts, just gently tipping the pelvis forward and back, noticing how the stretch shifts through the inner thighs. Maybe add a few soft hip circles here, small, slow movements that help the hips release tension. To come out, slowly bring the knees closer together and melt back into child's pose. Take a breath and notice the space through the hips. Sometimes a minute or two of gentle movement is all the body needs.